1996 Lexus LS 400. This is what it sounds like before. As you guys can see, very quiet. Your sound decibels right at 80. So for a Lexus, it's way too quiet. It's not classy enough, right? Don't you agree? It's too quiet. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna rip everything off of it and put blast pipes in their place. See it? We're gonna stick these blast pipes all the way to here. Because you know, why not? As you guys can see right there. And it's mad slammed on coilovers. Look at that stance. Perfect. I love it. Project car, man. Just for fun, why not? There it is, blast pipes. So stay tuned, guys. We'll let you guys hear it after we're done with it. All right, guys. 1996, slammed to the ground. Lexus LS 400. You shouldn't drink 2 drinks at once. That's his second energy drink. It's too much caffeine, bro. And you know the problem is, it doesn't energize him. It makes him slower. Anyway, here we go right there. Lexus LS 400. We'll show you guys what we got done on it. As you guys can see from all the scraping, it's low, but it's okay. Converter. Another converter with a Y pipe. Then, what we did, cut it off right there, took the 2 mufflers off, or resonators, and ran 2-inch pipe all the way back on each side. Right there, and right there. And then we put blast pipes out the back. Look at that. There's a bumper, there's the pipes. Blast pipes! Blast pipes! Why not? Right there. They look good. And here's the part number on the blast pipes. DAC 219. They'll be on eBay. Look them up. They are made by JY Performance Parts. DAC 219, blast pipes. And that's the 2 mufflers that were on it that we took off right there. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. He's also got an SC 400 that's going to be a drift car. But this is his daily, which is cool. I like it. It's different. We like doing stuff like this. You guys want to see how many miles are on it? How many miles are on it?
342.
And he's got friends that have 500 and 600,000 miles on these cars. And same motor, same transmission. They run forever. Forever. And they keep up. Look. Like, for that many miles and it still looks this good. Come on, guys. Come on. You know what I mean. Remember, guys, it's still got the cats on it, so I'm not gonna be crazy. Oh, that sounds good. I like it. Your sound decibels? What do you think?
I like it, man.
Do that
You gotta come back and the cats on.
You gotta do that the center section that we talked about. If you do the center section, it'll pop a lot more. It'll be crazy. We want to do a true dual conversion on it next. This is a good start. It's got a good idle to it. Now he can go lower because we tucked everything up there. The resonators that were on it were hitting really bad. So we tucked the pipes and everything so he can go even lower. Look at that. That's a cool stance on that car. Perfect. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. It actually fits it with the color scheme too. Very nice. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. He's still working on it. It's a project. He's almost done with it. He's gonna wrap it, put new lights in the front, and slam it even more, which is insane. It's about 2 inches now. Be about 1 inch off the ground. So I'm glad we got the exhaust work out of the way. It was funny. He's like, even if it slams on the lift, just take it up there. It's okay. It can handle it. Nice. Beast mode out of a Lexus. Enjoy it, guys.